Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to generate leads for your carpet cleaning business without spending a single dollar on paid advertising. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I'm the CEO and owner of a company called Ads Grow Business, or AGB, and we specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot, guaranteed. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners all over the world, and in the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for the carpet cleaning industry. So we really know what works and what converts. And on this YouTube channel, I want to share with you some of the hacks, cracks, the hints and tips, and the things that we've learned through our experience of growing and scaling carpet cleaning businesses, in the hope that you might be able to take some of this stuff on board and use it to grow your carpet cleaning business too. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses in the world as humanly possible, whether that's through working with them one-on-one through our special program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to generate leads for your carpet cleaning business without spending a single dollar on ads. Now, that's not to say that paid advertising isn't important. As a company, this is exactly what we do for carpet cleaners. And to be, quite frank with you, if you really want to grow, if you want to make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 a month on repeat, paid advertising is the way to go for your carpet cleaning business. But what I'm about to show you over the next 3 videos is something which can reinforce your paid advertising and give it a bit of a boost. Number 2, if you're just starting out, if you're like literally new to the carpet cleaning game and you don't have the funds available to do paid advertising yet, this is a great way to get started, to get those first few jobs through the door and kickstart your carpet cleaning business. So let's dive right into the training now. Let's move on to the next part. Now, this is where the juice is. So just from doing this, adding friends, building out your profile, let's say you generate an extra 10, 15 jobs a month. But what about that other 95%? The other 95% of those people that you added to your profile? How do we get their eyes on your business? How do we scale this thing up and get it so that you're just getting non-stop flow of inquiries and leads? Well, the way that you do that is by hacking the Facebook algorithm. Let me run you through that right now. It's very, very easy to do. Before we get into that, let me give you a little theory around how the algorithm works. Facebook wants you to be completely addicted to using their platform. They want you to keep coming back for more. So they are going to put the most engaging content at the top of your newsfeed. Amongst your community of friends on Facebook, the posts that are getting the most comments and likes and stuff like that, they're going to put that at the top of your stories feed and the top of your news feed. And the stuff that not a single person has commented on, that nobody's interested in, they're going to put that at the bottom. Because if they were to put that stuff at the top, everyone would get really disinterested and they'd log out of Facebook and probably go and check out some other platform like Instagram or LinkedIn or Twitter or whatever. They always put the most engaging stuff, most popular posts at the top. Pretty obvious, right? The question is, how do we get our content, our carpet cleaning stuff to the top of the news feed so that all these hundreds, thousands of people that I've added as friends, these potential customers, see it? And you do that, like I say, by hacking the Facebook algorithm, and you do that by creating what's called an engagement post. What is an engagement post, I hear you ask? An engagement post is a post that asks a question, typically. Because guess what? When you ask a question, people answer. And so therefore, they comment on the post. So if you ask certainly a question that people feel strongly about, you're going to get a lot of comments on that, right? Probably a lot of likes and stuff like that, a lot of engagement. And guess what? When you do that and you get all of those comments, Facebook tags you as someone that's putting out engaging content. And so when that happens, when Facebook tags you, right, this guy, this girl, the post they're putting out, people are responding to it, and we want people to keep coming back to Facebook. So we're going to stick your stuff at the top moving forward. So what you do is, the short version, we'll get into the detail in a minute, is you post a question, the kind of question that a lot of people are going to have an opinion on. It's going to get a lot of comments. That then tags you as like, an engaging person on Facebook. And then the next day, you post something like this the following day and guess what? That goes to the top of the newsfeed because you did that engagement post the day before. So now Facebook's putting this right at the top. Boom. Awesome. And then now those 300, 400, 600,000 people that you've added to your profile, they're seeing this at the top of their newsfeed. Very, very fucking cool, right? Like at the very fucking top right there. And now like it's like people are messaging you. So let's look an example of an engagement post that I put on my profile. So here we go. This is again based around doing marketing to actually get carpet cleaners like you guys as customers. So you would want to change this because you're a carpet cleaner trying to get bookings and inquiries for your carpet cleaning business. But you can see here, I've done the exact same thing that I'm teaching. I've built my profile out like a sales page. I've got my links on here, right? I've got a great review as a featured review. And then what I've done is I've gone and added carpet cleaners as friends. And then I've actually gone and hacked the Facebook algorithm by posting this engagement content. You want to do it with that bold background, the big letters. Carpet cleaner friends, do you offer a guarantee? If so, what is it? 73 comments. So Facebook the next day has said, right, well, this guy, 73 people have commented on this. This is something, this guy, people are engaging with him. So we need to show more people, more of these 1,734 people in his network, more of his posts, because that's going to get people coming back to Facebook again. So you asked this question, and then the next day I posted like an ad for our service, like a testimonial, and the reach on that was huge because I hacked the algorithm the day before and I actually generated 3 or 4 sales calls out of it. People that saw that, these results, $20,000 a month with our campaign, that's generated a sales call. So you can do the exact same thing. Let's actually do one right now together. Let's do an example. So you're going to come up to here, and you can do this on your cell phone. You're going to choose one of the backgrounds that are in here. Let's just do this. You want something that's bold, that's going to hop off the page. You want to call out your audience. So let's say you live in Miami. You're going to go Miami friends. And again, you want something that's really going to generate a lot of comments. You could do something COVID related. Now, everybody's got an opinion about that at the moment. So if you've got 500-600 people that you've added, you're going to get hundreds of people commenting on that. And Facebook's going to basically think, wow, this guy's killing it. We need to put his stuff at the top of the page there. So next day, you put up your ad or your post about your carpet cleaning services, go straight to the top. And thousands of people, if you've got thousands of people as friends, are going to see it, and you inbox is going to fill up with inquiries. Boom. The other thing that you can do, now this is super cool, is you can leverage these engagement posts to not only hack the Facebook algorithm, but you can also leverage this to tap into the minds of your customers and figure out how to advertise to them and what to say in your ad copy, in your posts, to actually get them to schedule. What do I mean by that? For example, one of your engagement posts could be about carpet cleaning. You could use it actually not only to hack the algorithm, but as research for your business. So if you could say, hey, Miami homeowners, what do you love and hate most about getting your carpets? If you've added the right people that you think would be a great customer, you're probably going to get a whole bunch of comments on this, a crazy amount of comments. So you're going to hack the algorithm. So the next day when you post your actual content about your ad, about your services, it's going to go to the top. But also you can actually get some intel on what's going through the minds of your customers by making a post like this. And then you can align your service-based post around the research that you've got here. So let's say you get 100 comments and loads of people talk about the thing they hate is the carpet being wet for so long and all the rest of it. When you do and let's say you've got a fast drying process, the next day you do like, hey, I've got 3 room special, $135, 3 rooms in the hallway plus odor treatment, fast dry times, because you know that's what's important. So when everybody sees your post the following day, because you hack the algorithm with this and they're seeing your special, but it also says fast dry, oh wow, amazing, that's great, that's going to help them think, wow, it's not going to take too long to dry. So you can actually use this to not just hack the algorithm, but to actually get great intel about your business, about what people want from a carpet cleaning service in your area, and then align your other posts around that research. Hope that makes sense. So that's how you hack the algorithm. What I would do is simply every couple of days do an engagement post. So you keep hacking the algorithm. So it means that your service-based posts, things like this, are going to have a good reach, and it's going to get get in front of as many people as possible. And like literally that is all there is to it. Again, let's recap. Build out great cover photo that says what you do. You're a carpet cleaner, you serve this, that, and the other. Little intro with a call to action. Build out your about section just with the main things that people need to get in touch with you. Put together like a featured post with your best Google review. Start going to your friends list, adding your ideal customers. Like I say, once this bit's built out, it's done forever. That's like 30 minutes work max. And then every day, just get into that habit. Maybe add 10 people in the morning, add 10 people at night, 20 people a day. In a month, you'll have 600 people on your profile. To add 10 people in the morning and add 10 people at the night in the evening is literally probably less than 3-4 minutes work. You can do it whilst you're sat at the traffic lights. You can do it whilst you're eating your breakfast, whilst you're chilling on your phone, on the sofa. Like you don't even need to use a laptop to do any of this stuff. You can do it all from your phone. Once you get into the habit of doing that, start posting these engagement questions, right? The kind of questions is going to get a lot of comments, and then intersperse that with your posts about your business, like a special and stuff like that. Align what you're writing in here based around the feedback that you're getting from your engagement posts. So when people see it, it's like, wow, you've read my mind. This is the exact kind of carpet cleaner. And I guarantee if you get into the habit, the routine of doing this every day, adding the friends, the potential customers, doing the engagement posts every 2 or 3 days, and then, regularly, daily putting up your content about your services, you are going to get people messaging you regularly that are seeing this stuff, right? Seeing it, messaging you, and it will work. Like, absolutely guarantee you. This is how I grew my digital marketing agency for carpet cleaners in the beginning, like when I started out, it worked awesome. And it will work for you as well. It will work for you, carpet cleaners, it will work for any kind of business. The thing that's missing that a lot of people like this dude don't do is they're not adding potential customers to their profile. So nobody's getting to see these posts. Facebook as well, you're competing for popularity with all the cute cat and dog pictures and posts and stuff like that. So you need to hack the algorithm with these engagement posts. So Facebook tags you as engaging content so your posts reach more people in your network as well. And that's the key thing. You need to make it easy for people to contact you by having your about section filled out as well. So that's pretty much everything. Like I say, if you're just starting out as a carpet cleaner, this is a great way to bring some jobs in without spending a single dollar on ads. If you are doing digital marketing, paid advertising, this is a great extra. If you've got someone in the office, you could have them log into your personal profile and be doing this daily for you. If you just want to get a boost on top of your paid ads on Google or Facebook or whatever, again, it's 10-15 minutes work of a morning. It's really not that difficult, and it's going to bring you some extra business through the door as well. If you've been enjoying this series of videos in the YouTube channel and you'd like to work with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, to grow, to scale it, to generate jobs on autopilot with our specialist system, head to the description down below where you'll find a link to schedule a Zoom call. But be warned, there are only 5 slots open at the moment to bring on new carpet cleaning businesses into our one-on-one program. It's strictly limited, so be quick, go to the description, click the link, schedule a time now while you still can. We'll see you on Zoom, and we're really, really excited to walking you through our program, through our system, and showing you how we can work with you directly to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.